Make organizing simple with Hang It Simple.
The Hang It Simple organizer comes in multiple lengths and is engineered for quick and easy installation on any wall surface. The necessary screws, anchors, and instructions are included. All you need is a level, a drill, and screwdriver for great results. First, choose the preferred installation area. Locate 2 wall studs and use a level to mark the exact hanger location. Most installations will require a 16-inch separation between screws to connect with wall studs. Mark in the molded crease provided on the Hang It Simple unit for quick screw alignment. Then pre-drill the unit to create holes for using a pencil or punch to mark the wall surface. Now drill 2 pilot holes for screws. Or, if no studs are present, use the pilot holes to insert the 2 sheetrock anchors provided. Align the Hang It Simple unit and snugly install 2 screws through the unit into the wall studs or anchors. Almost done, select from assorted adjustable hanging accessories, align with the matching upper channel, and slide each to a desired position. Insert the 2 rubber end caps, and you're ready to hang virtually anything safely and securely. Make organizing simple with Hang It Simple.